everyone, it's Rhonda here with Custom Papery. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come and show you really quick this Halloween project that I came up with to send to my daughter and her college friends. I wanted to send a little care package to them with some little treats and stuff, and this is so super simple, quick, easy, and so I wanted to give the idea to some of you that may not have a silhouette or a Cricut to cut out bags. I find these at the dollar store. I have a whole bunch in my stash, so if you don't have a cutting machine, you can pick these little boxes up from the dollar store. You get 12 of them for $1, and they are a 3" by 3" by 2.25". Super easy, simple craft project to make for any kind of like a birthday or baby shower, anything like that. So the little boxes themselves are fairly thin, and so to help make them be a little bit stronger and decorate them up, I double layer on my paper. So I use a colored stock, and then I'll use a printed of some sort. And on this one, it's Halloween themed, and the paper that I went with for the Halloween theme I got out of this pack, which is the Four Seasons paper pack from Hobby Lobby, and I've had this for like 2 years, and I'm just now starting to use some paper out of it. You see it's like completely full. It's very thin paper, but when you layer it on cardstock, it works perfect, but it is really super thin, so you'll definitely want to back it up. But what I did is I did it on the front, and I also did it on the back, and that'll make the box be really sturdy. As you can see here, I have a bunch of goodies in there. The box is fairly sturdy once you layer it. And I used all the same, so it basically took me one sheet of this printed paper, and then all my paper rosettes that are on them. This is what I have left out of the 8 by 11 sheet, and so I think they turned out super cute. And basically I just started layering. I had some clip art, Halloween clip art on my computer, and I cut out some of these little cute things. So I got a little bat here. This name tag is from the punch that I have, so that was quick and easy. You can cut these out yourself. Straight edge things are really super simple. Now for the scallop thing, I obviously have a die that I did that with, and I love that Sizzix die, but you can buy a hand punch one like this. You could use that type of a scallop punch and create for a layered effect, and you could use stickers for your little cute embellishments. This bow here is made out of this right here. So again, very simple, easy, and you don't need any die cutting tools or anything to really create something as cute as these turned out. So basically they're all the same. I just changed out the colors, and then I found these really super cute trick-or-treat bags at Walmart. I think this was like $1.60 or something like that. It'll take me forever to go through this whole thing, but maybe I can send off some Happy Mail and use some of these bags. I don't really have a whole lot of Halloween stuff. I find that Halloween is kind of a little challenging for me to create, but I wanted to definitely send my daughter and her friends a little package, and so I added some little goodies in here, and there's like 6 different things in here for them, and that'll kind of brighten up their day, I'm hoping, especially the ones that may be a little bit homesick, and let them know that I'm thinking about her and her friends. And so some of the other things that you see on my table here is, again, I'm having a hard time with the whole Halloween, so I created, because rosettes are my favorite thing to create, and so I came up with this one. And I used to be into making bottle cap necklaces and bottle cap keychains and stuff, so I have a whole lot of clip art that I had purchased years ago with 1" circles. So I found this Halloween one on my program and printed them and cut them out, and I have them over here, and I'm like, oh well, those would be really cute centers for stuff. So I'm glad that I found those. I probably have other things in my program that I've forgotten about, but I'm like, oh well, bottle cap things can work for your craft projects and be really super cute. So you could look for digital digital images, and bottle caps are simple. You don't really need the die cutting tool. Just go and get a 1-inch circle punch, and so there you go, and then you can have some really cute embellishments to go. Most everybody knows how to make the paper rosettes, and then I created this simple one too, just trying different things, trying to see what I like. And I love this look. I love that scalloped die. I think that's so super cute. It just really makes everything stand out to me. And then I created this cute little one. This is a little miniature one, and I had found some confetti at the dollar store, and it was the perfect size. So keep your eye out for confetti too, because you can use that to embellish your embellishments. And again, I have the smaller die on there, but again, you can use, you can use punches. Let me see if I have, here's an older one I got. Hobby Lobby carries these. You can order them online if you don't have a Hobby Lobby, but this is a 1.5 inch scallop punch. So there you go, and another idea, again, so you can create really cute layered things. I saw a crafter who did with crepe paper. She made this similar to this, and I had in my stash of stuff, which I'm surprised because it was Halloween. I found that I had some like little witches boots and socks, and she had made something similar to this. It might even be the same boots, but she used crepe paper, and she did the crepe paper for the skirt. And I'm not really good at pleating the crepe paper. I've tried to do rosettes crepe paper, and I have not yet to succeed at that task. So I went ahead and I just used paper and created a half rosette type and created my witch's skirt. And I need something else to back it up, just to make it a little bit more sturdy when I go to put it on something. So this would be like really cute, like on a card. I'd obviously probably use maybe a different color for the background there, but just to show an idea. I took a gold pin that I had, and I gave her gold tip boots because I thought that was really super cute. And so just trying to play around with ideas for Halloween, because I'm just not, I can't get into the craftingness of Halloween for some reason. But fall is here. Leaves are changing at my house, and so I have some ideas for fall. I've been watching some videos. My favorite thing to do is boxes and bags and the 3D project, so I want to work on stuff, and I have fall paper. I have some fall embellishments that I just purchased, and so I'm excited to do that. Now obviously Christmas is my favorite time, and I got tons of ideas for Christmas stuff that I want to do. So I went shopping, and I have a craft haul coming up in my next video, but if you want to stay tuned for that, be sure to check back, and hopefully I'll have that up in the next few days. And in the meantime, thank you so much for stopping by, and I wish you all a very blessed, wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, bye-bye.